Y'all know that on the block they slinging miracles. About 1.5. Said I be gone for a sec, but I be coming right back. I got your service. I told my nigga D where it's at. Said they be taking all your sweat, but they ain't taking no cash. You see, Tracy had an Xbox, me I had a PS. Play that shit for hours just to stay up at the BS. See, people made their minds up on how they was gonna see us. We be walking on the street, they screaming both of y'all need Jesus. Ha, formula just wasn't complicated though. Work hard, party hard, sacrifices, make them know. When they say I sound like this or that, I just switch it up and give them all a heart attack. And I will. Do you feel how I feel? I know you love it cause it's real and I'm here.